How to paint or stain outdoor furniture. The first thing we're going to do is get a heavy duty scrub brush and some water. Start scrubbing off all the loose particles or flakes of paint. Don't worry about getting in these inside edges here, they'll be fine. We'll even do the legs as well. Once you scrub down the whole surface, just leave to dry. At this point, I like to hoover the table, just get all the debris that you've lifted up out. Next, you may want to use a very fine sandpaper just to tidy up some of the surfaces. That'll even things out a bit, and then after this process, hoover it again. Next, we're going to apply some stain. This is teak color, so we'll apply 2 coats of this next. Just work along the grain and get into the grooves. That's what it looks like just after the first coat. Just needs to dry now. This is what it looks like after the first coat. So I'll put another one on. Second coat on. Just let that dry. And this is what it looks like after the second coat. So it's about done. You can put a third coat on if you wish, but if you don't, you're all finished.